Let's start with the first video, that is multiplication tricks. In this session, we are going to see how to multiply two numbers within fractions of a minute. You don't need a calculator, or you don't have to search for your mobiles or anything. So with fractions of a minute, you're going to solve any multiplication with ease and better understanding. So in this video, let's start with the trick 1, how to multiply two numbers. So to start with, we all know that a square minus b square. So right from our 6th class to 12th class, we all know this formula and we use it all over. So this is very simple, that is a plus b and a minus b. With this in mind, we are going to apply the same thing in trick 1. The key to trick 1 is both the number which you're going to multiply, that is, let's say a multiplied by b. These two has to be near to each other. The nearer the numbers, the better the trick works. So let's start with an example. That is example 1. Let's say we have to multiply simultaneously. Have a pen and paper in your hand. Work out right away with me. So example 47 multiplied by 53. Alright, I'll give you 5 seconds to solve this. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. 5. Your time is up. I'm sure that most of you would not even have started this multiplication just because you lost, and some of you would have definitely got the answer. Hats off to you. Now, for those who have not started the multiplication or not even got a clue to proceed with, here is a simple trick. We know that a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. So let's rewrite 47 and 53 in this format. So what I can do is 47 can be rewritten as 50 minus 3. That's clever, right? And this can be rewritten as 50 plus 3. So that's it. A minus b and a plus b. So this can be reversed worked as a square minus b square. That is 50 square minus 3 square. And that's it. You have your answer. 50 square is 2500 and 3 square is 9. And your answer is 2491. That's it. So you don't have to conventionally write down the number and then multiply 47 times and then 47 times and then add it together. It's going to take roughly a minute, whereas this method is going to take just fractions of a minute. Alright? You don't trust me? Let's move on to the second example. Okay, the previous example 47, 53, you might think that these numbers are pretty simple. However, in this example, we're going to look at a little bit difficult number. Let's say, for example, let's say 93 into 107. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds because a 3-digit number is there. Start. Let's see how fast you could arrive at. 10 seconds. Alright, 5 seconds up. And done. So if you have not got the answer, here is a simple method. Just apply this. Alright. So 93 can be rewritten as 100 minus 7. Correct? And 107 is 100 plus 7. And that's it. You get 100 square minus 7 square. 100 square, blindly just write 4 zeros, that is 10,000 minus 49, and your answer is 9951. Not even 10 seconds, right? You get your answer right away with this method. Still you don't trust me? Let's take another challenge. Let's proceed to a 3-digit number in the next example. Okay, let's now take 3-digit numbers. And the key, which I said earlier, these numbers has to be close to each other so that you can take a common number and then add and minus, Let me take example 3 for the trick 1. 2, 0, 4, 196, because 200 plus 4 and 200 minus 4, right? So 200 plus 4 and 200 minus 4. 200 square minus 4 square. Oh, 4 square, not the cigarette, right? So this is 40,000 minus 16, and your answer is 399.84. As simple as that. Not even 5 seconds, I got the answer. So if you find any two numbers close to each other, try to get this method, that is a square minus b square, and then solve it in this way. And some of you might feel difficulty with 40,000 minus 16. It is very simple, and you're going to learn this in the subtraction section in this course. Alright, so I'm sure that you will be stunned with these tricks. I'll meet you in the trick 2 on multiplication of numbers.